What do you do to keep your Subaru driving like a Subaru? Performing like a Subaru, handling like a Subaru? You need a strong lubricant partner.
This partner for us is Total Quartz engine oil.
It truly complements the work done by our skilled technicians, coupled with Subaru genuine parts and years of experience. With Total Quartz engine oil, we are confident that we can deliver on Subaru's core DNA of engineering excellence.
Because of our strong partnership with Total Quartz engine oil, we promise to keep your Subaru feeling new, because nothing drives like a Subaru. Absolute confidence in motion.